Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. TGIF. It's also Pasta Friday. I'll get to that in a moment. But we're going to cover New Year's Day, which we had a snack fest. We did 3 snacks. I started with the hummus with peanut butter in place of tahini. If you play with the ingredients just a bit and add the sesame oil, a little bit at a time, you get a very yummy snack. It's very good. Robin and I were both like, we'll try it. Because I don't know about you, but I buy tahini to make hummus, and then it sits in the fridge and goes bad. And that's $6, $7, $8, $9 gone. All right. The second thing was hot artichoke dip prepared by Robin. This is a recipe she was given by a co-worker, and we call this the original because we have at least 3 hot artichoke style dips in the library. And the last, but definitely least, cheesy mashed potato pancakes. Robin and I were discussing how I should discuss this morning. They were tasty. The picture, that was a mirage. Those were the only 3 savable pancakes out of 4 cups of mashed potatoes. As you know, I hate baking. I don't like frying food either. But I will fry food. My ancestors were trying to tell me put an extra egg in that, and I ignored. Never ignore your ancestors. I'm going to leave it there. Tasty, but. All right. Tonight, it's Pasta Friday. I'm going to be preparing my red sauce. You can call it marinara. And we're going to have that over a mixed pasta. In other words, we're taking all the pasta bits that we have, except for linguine, the leftovers basically, and putting it into one and cooking it off. I'm actually thinking about doing a demo on this so you can see how I prepare my red sauce. So, I hope you had a good New Year's. And let's kick the weekend off with a Pasta Friday. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.